Okay, now on to the National Academy of Sciences Awards for 2024. There are actually 2 Atkinson Prizes in psychological and cognitive sciences that will be awarded this year. Let me start with the first one. The first Atkinson Prize is awarded to Stanislas Dehaene of INSERM-Cognitive Neuroimaging Unit, NeuroSpin Center. And he is being honored for his experimental, computational, and theoretical work on the cognitive mechanisms and brain processes of mathematics, reading, language, and consciousness, all of which are pillars of our culture and faculties that make us human. So, could you please join us on stage, Dr. Dehaene. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm of course delighted by this extraordinary and unexpected award. The list of previous awardees of the Atkinson Prize is truly dwarfing. And furthermore, I believe I am the first scientist in this list working outside of US academia at the Collège de France in Paris and the NeuroSpin Center in Saclay in France. I am therefore even more grateful to all members of the prize committee for this recognition of what I like to be the vibrant nature of European cognitive science at large. My research bears on the formidable problem of understanding how the brain generates cognition and how only in humans it supports faculties such as language, mathematics, and science, and also a unique form of self-consciousness. And these are not very easy problems. So as far as we all know, I think it is only by standing in the shoulders of giants, on the shoulders of giants, that we can see a little bit further. And my debt goes to my mentor and colleagues. The names will be familiar to many of you: Jean-Pierre Changeux, Jacques Meller, Michael Posner, Elisabeth Spelker, who is here. Thank you, Liz. I would also like to mention the philosopher Dan Dennett, who just died a week ago and whose thinkings and writings had a major influence on my research. And of course my lab, fantastic bunch of young people, my wife and colleague of 37 years, Ghislaine, who tries to crack the even more difficult problem of the baby's mind and brain. If I'm allowed one more word, I would like to end with a plea. For the first time in Europe, in my generation at least, we hear daily speak of war. Weapons, ammunition, military budgets have to increase. The escalation is inevitable, and yet I think it's so contrary to our beliefs in the values of international collaboration and civilization, simply speaking. Can we stop this? Can psychology and cognitive science help at all? Should we all, as scientists and academicians, speak up a bit more? I have no answers, only a sense of the urgency with which we should ask those questions. Thank you very much.